naghahanda na ang National Bureau of Investigation o NBI sa pagsasampa ng panibagong kaso sa PDAF scam. Ayon sa ahensya, may pangatlong batch pa ng opisyal ang posibleng kasuhan. Para sa detalye mo kami, Noel Perfecto.
Inamin ni NBI Director Virgilio Mendez na mahaba-haba pa ang kanilang tatahakin sa pag-iimbestiga ng mga naglalakihang katauhan na nasasangkot sa 10 billion pesos na Priority Development Assistance Fund. Subalit, pinagmalaki naman ito na sila, ang NBI, ay nasa tamang tahakin at kahit kailanman ay hindi maaapektuhan ng mga naglalabasang pahayag ng magkabilang panig, grupo ni Napoles at ang grupo ng mga mambabatas.
There is no question about it. We're just doing what we are supposed to do. And we are not even disturbed by the developments that is going on. And that is not even our concern regarding your question whether she is qualified to be a state witness or not. This is an investigation and we have to finish this. And there is still a long, long way to go. We will submit our reports with our recommendation to the Ombudsman. The Ombudsman will conduct the preliminary investigation. And after finding probable cause, they will forward the Sandigan Bayan. And that is where the determination whether Napoles is considered or qualified as state witness will be taken and considered.
Sa eksklusibong panayam ng People's Television 4, sinabi pa ni Director Mendez na nakapagsumiti na sila ng lahat ng mga kopya ng deleted files mula sa hard drive ni Ben-Hur Louie sa Ombudsman at sa susunod agad sa Senado.
Computer Crime Division complied with the submission of the deleted files to the Ombudsman. Then we will be submitting also a soft copy to the Senate in relation to these deleted files that were retrieved from the files. This is what is happening now.
Dito rin niya inihayag, mayroon pang ikatlong grupo ng mga opisyales ang kanilang sasampahan ng kaso sakaling makuha ng Bureau ang iba pang mga dokumento at materyales na kakailanganin sa malalimang investigasyon sa PDAF scam ng NBI.
Another set of officials who might be. Yun ang bago doon. Hindi naman na paulit-ulit na rin na yung sinasabi mo, sila pa rin yung tatlo. Hindi naman. Yung bago naman kung mayroong bago. That's part of the investigation. And if they're still part of it, wala tayong magagawa.
When you say another set is composed of how many?
No, another set of documents, another set of evidence that will establish another set of persons or personalities.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako naman si Noel Perfecto.